Hello, my name is Reyhane. Today I want to talk about data type. Data type is an attribute of a data that tells the device how the end user can interact with the data. There are also considered categories that different coding programs may combine to perform certain functions. Most programming languages, including C++ and Java, use primitive data types. Now I want to briefly explain about the data type. First, integer. Integer data types represent the whole numbers in programming. For example, the sales rate. Number two, characters. In coding, alphabet letters denote characters. They can be single characters or a string of letters. For example, the name of product. Number three, dates. These data types this data type is a calendar date with different programming information. Dates are typically a combination of integer or numerical figures. Since these are typically integer values, some programs can store basic mathematical operation like the dates elapsed certain since certain events, or the day away from an upcoming event. For example, the due date. Number four, floating point. A floating point represents a fractional value numbers. For example, 1.967 967. For example, sales rate per products. Number 5 and 6, long and short data types. There are both these types hold numbers, both positive or negative. Number 7, a string. String data type is a combination of characters that can be either constant or variable. A string can include both upper and lower case letter, numbers, and punctuation. For example, a string A equal new calculate, new string calculate. A string B equal new string and total income. A string C equal new string calculate and a string D equal new string total cost. String D equal new string calculate total profit. Number 8, Boolean. Boolean data type is what programs use to show logic in code. It's typically one of two values, true or false, intended to clarify conditional statements. These can be responses to if-when scenarios where code indicate if a user performs a certain action. When this happens, the Boolean data directs the program's response, which determines the next code in sequence. For example, bool baseball is best equal false. Bool football is best is true.